This is an overview of an Epiphone Les Paul Special 2 GT electric guitar equipped with a kill switch. Unfortunately, the electronics quit working, making it for all practical purposes dead. However, as a medical professional, I think I can revive it. Notice the inexpensive tuning machines and hardware. It was definitely in need of an upgrade. Definitely a job for a medical professional. Here is an overview of the replacement parts such as locking tuners, boutique humbuckers, a new wiring harness with new volume and tone pots, replacement tremolo bridge and strap locks. The strings were removed and the guitar was disassembled. The frets were polished with number 0000 steel wool. Replacement locking tunes were installed and some new holes had to be drilled for the mounting screws. The replacement bridge and tremolo system were installed. The replacement wiring harness along with the output jack was installed. The replacement boutique humbuckers were installed using quick plug connectors. The ground wire was soldered to the tremolo claw and the tremolo springs were installed. A screwdriver and an amplifier were used to test the pickups and electronics before screwing everything back into place. The knobs, electronics cover, tremolo cover and output jack were screwed into place. The strap locks were installed. The guitar was restrung, adjustments were made to the string height and intonation, and then the guitar was tuned. I would demonstrate how it sounds, but that might increase the troll traffic, but more importantly, I might break a nail, so use your imagination. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.